Mastering meal management, planning for leftovers. Hello, and welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into a very practical topic that touches both language learning and everyday life. Plan for leftovers. This phrase is not just about food. It's about planning, saving, and being efficient. Whether you're a student managing meals on a budget or a busy professional looking to save time, understanding and applying this concept can make a big difference. So, let's get started and unpack the meaning and usage of plan for leftovers. The phrase, plan for leftovers, involves two key concepts: planning and leftovers. Planning, in this context, means thinking ahead about meals you're going to prepare. Leftovers refer to the food that remains from a meal, which is not consumed immediately and can be saved for later. When we combine these, plan for leftovers suggests intentionally preparing more food than needed for a single meal, with the idea of using the excess food in future meals. This approach can save time, reduce waste, and help with budgeting. Planning for leftovers has several benefits. Time saving. Prepare once, eat multiple times. This reduces the need to cook every day. Economical. Buying in bulk can be cheaper, and using all the food you buy reduces waste. Creativity. Leftovers can inspire creative new dishes, making meals more interesting. Environmental impact. Reducing food waste is good for the environment. Understanding this phrase not only helps with language learning but also encourages a sustainable and thoughtful approach to meal management. Here are some practical tips to effectively plan for leftovers. Cook in bulk. Prepare larger quantities of meals that store well, like soups, stews, or casseroles. Store properly. Use airtight containers and refrigerate or freeze leftovers promptly to maintain freshness. Be creative. Transform leftovers into new meals. For example, turn last night's roasted chicken into a chicken salad for lunch. Plan meals. Think about how you can incorporate leftovers into your meal planning for the week. Thank you for joining us to explore the concept of plan for leftovers. This simple yet impactful phrase is more than just about food. It's about making smart choices that benefit your time, wallet, and the planet. We hope this video has been informative and inspires you to incorporate meal planning and leftovers into your routine. Remember, mastering small, everyday phrases like this is a big step forward in your language learning journey. Happy cooking, and see you in our next video.